If you want to change your Instagram username, or it's also called handle, then this video is for you. In this short video, I'll explain how to change it step by step. If you're not having updated version of Instagram, then go to your Apple Store and update Instagram. Maybe you're using an older version, so settings might be different. It's better to update. Now, open Instagram, go to Me section, go to these top 3 dots, and you will find this account center. If you are linked with your Facebook, then you will see these 2 profiles. Just click on the profile. Now you need to click on your Instagram profile. Here you will find username. Click on that, and here is your existing username. Change it into anything you like. I want to change it same as my YouTube name, and the name is available. And if the name is not available, for example, this name is already taken, so you cannot change this name. It's indicated in red. So I can choose a different name, same as my YouTube channel, and hit done button. Now let's wait. The name has been changed, but we need to update it on YouTube as well. You can do it on your mobile phone as well, but I'm gonna go to guide you on browser. Open your channel and go to your studio, go to customization, and here if you have provided your Instagram link, it will be here. So just change the last one. Now instead of 𝒂𝒐𝒎𝒆𝒏𝒕𝒔, now it's 𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄. Publish. Now go to the main channel page. If you have provided it here, you can see the changes have been implemented. If you now click on this one, it will directly open my Instagram. Boom, here we go. If you didn't follow me on Instagram, then here is the username now. You can follow me. If you got any question, write in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.